How to read a book on Wattpad. Let's get started. Launch your Wattpad app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now you can go through the books and select the one that you want to read. Just open it. Click on the option Start Reading. You will be directed to this page. Now, at the top, you're going to find the drop down. Click on that. Here, you're going to find the details of the book. Chapter. So, this book includes 30 chapters. Now you can head towards the first chapter. Swipe to the right and you're gonna find the pages for the chapter. Once we're done reading the first chapter, you can head over to the second one by clicking on this drop down. Also, you are able to select the font and the size. If you want to do so, you can click on this font icon given at the top right. From here, you can increase or decrease the font size. Likewise, you are able to select the font for the book. So this is how you can easily read a book on Wattpad. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.